Hello everyone, my name is Saloni and I am a technical consultant here at GlideFast. Today I am going to demo how to redirect end users to the Employee Center instead of the backend UI. Alright, let's dive right into it. We have to start by creating or updating a system property. So I am going to navigate to sys_properties table and find if glide.entry.first.page.script exists. If it does not exist, we will create a new one. In our case, it does not exist, so let's click on New. The name of the property would be glide.entry.first.page.script, type should be string. Value has to be new spentrypage.getFirstPageURL, to invoke the spentrypage script include. Now that we have the property created, end users should be redirected to the service portal out of the box. However, in this demo we would like to redirect end users to the Employee Center. To configure that, we have to go to the script include table. Let's find spentrypage script include. If we look at line 24, the URL suffix is set to sp. Here we need to change the suffix to esc to redirect users to Employee Center. It is the best practice to not make changes to any out-of-the-box script include. Hence, we will deactivate the out-of-the-box script include and create a copy of the spentrypage script include to make changes to the script. I am now going to deactivate the spentrypage and save it. I am going to do insert and stay to create a duplicate and activate the new script include. Let's go to line 24 and change the suffix to esc and click Save. Now I am going to impersonate Able Tutor who does not have any roles to check if he is getting redirected to the Employee Center. Perfect, he gets redirected to the Employee Center as we wanted. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and leave any questions in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to GlideFast.